the promise, and I've kept my side of the bargain. And what a wonderful journey we're having together, right? It's fucking chaos, and it's insane, and it's mental, and it's full of fucking anxiety, and it's full of sadness, and it's friends that fuck you over, and it's businesses that don't work, and then it's businesses that do work, and then it's friends that do love you, and then it's you who care for people, I care for people back, etc., etc. The fucking journey is absolutely insane, but I've never loved it more than I'm loving it right now. And yes, I might be in Sniper's Alley, and a few of you may be in that alley with me, but I believe I have a lot longer to go on this runway. And so have you! Look, I look forward to getting even older with you, and I look forward to seeing many more of you at many shows to come, whatever size venue that is. I guess it's all about who we've been, who we are, and who we are going to still become. Ladies and gentlemen, I dedicate this song, this next song, to us all. You guessed it. And now the end is near. It's sad. It's sadder than that. Oh. My friends, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway and more. Louder! Yes, there were times I showed you when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when the rebels died, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall. Now, I loved, I laughed and cried. There's Coco, there's Teddy. My share of losing. And now, as tears subside, there's Charlie. I find it all so amusing to think I did all this, and may I say, there's the other one in a shy way. That's about, oh no, my beautiful spreading the news. Come on everybody, what's cool about being gluten intolerant? What's cool about your testicles being so low, you sit on them? We're not rockers, we're not mods, we're not b-boys, we're not indie kids. Those days are behind us. Let's just grab hold of what is and let go of who we thought we had to be. I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find out king of the hill, top of the heap, top of the heap. Those little town blues. Are you cool? You are. Just forget about it. Are you cool? Are you embracing your inner cringe? Come on everybody. Let it out. Let it go. I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep. To you, New York, New York. New York. I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find out ain't number one, top of the list, king of the hill, ain't number one. These little town blues, I'm melting away. I wanna make a brand new start of it. In old New York. And if I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. Come on, come through New York, New York. So that's all the dignity gone then. I didn't need it anyway. You know, they say that I've only got two kinds of songs, and that's true. Song number one is I'm Robbie fucking Williams, and I'm fucking amazing. And song number two is I'm Robbie Williams, and I'm acrophobic, and I'm dyslexic, and I'm dyspraxic, and I've got anxiety, and I've got depression, and a lower than average sized penis. And that's not the least of my problems. Ladies and gentlemen, pray silence as I sing song number two for you.